Hi, I'm Darren Painter from Renusol. I'm just about to show you how to fit our UK pan tile roof hook with a double Roman interlocking tile. Most of the tiles, interlocking pan tiles, are the same. You have to basically fit them, push the tile, locate the rafter, get your roof hook. What you've got to do is make sure the arm sits on the lower part of the channel of the tile, because if it's up here, you're going to kick the tiles up above. So if you slide your roof hook in, locate the rafter, put it in between the two sides so it's central of the channel. You're going to fix the roof hook directly into the rafter. Like so. Then what you do is you slide this tile above down so you can see where the roof hook is going to hit on the channel underneath. What you do, get a proper pen, mark where your roof hook is in comparison with the tile above. Then we've got to notch this little section out so it doesn't kick the tile up when we put it back over the top. In order to get this tile out, to free it on the roof, push your two tiles up above, and you release it like that. Now we've got to cut that tile, cut the little notch out so the roof hook sits in there and it doesn't kick up the tile. Like so, and you slide that back in, slide the other ones down, and as you can see, it doesn't kick the tile up because you've notched the little bit of the tile out where the roof hook sits, and that's how you install a pan tile roof hook with any interlocking pan tile. Also, if you find that the tile, the roof hook sits on the tile too tightly, we also do a 2 and 5 mil packer in order to lift the roof hook up so it stops the pressure on the tile underneath and actually doesn't kick up the tile above.